everyone, welcome to Growing Guitar, Juice WRLD, Used and Abused. Alright, so we have this chord progression that goes on in the same way through the entire song. We love that, so let's start this one up. We need a capo here on the first fret, and with that we have kind of 4 different chords. So yeah, let's look at the chords. We have first the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord is F major 7, so that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. Then we have the G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the G-B chord. What you do here is you try to focus on just the second fret A string. So everything else is the same with the G-B chord if you compare it to the G. But from the G, you just take away the E there and try to focus on the B note there as the new bass note. So everything else is the same. That gives us second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And when it comes to the strumming here, try to play on the B string and not on the E string there. All right, so there you have the different chords. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We need to divide this into two different parts. Let's start with A minor, and that will be like this for one full round, and then I'm gonna split it and show you how. So one full round goes like this. Alright, so the first part is down, down, clap, down. Alright, so down, down, clap, down. That's the first part. And then comes a break and then starts the second part there. And the second part is just down, clap, down. So part 1, down, down, clap, down, pause, and then down, clap, down. So like this. So the down, clap, down was the part 2. Let's take a look at the chord progression. So you're gonna play one full strumming round for the following 3 chords: A minor, F major 7, and G. So like this. Then we have just one full strumming round left there, but it will split between 2 different chords. So now comes the G-B chord in here, where you're gonna play on the A string there, the second A string. So you're gonna play part 1 there, so down, down, clap, down, and then you go back to G, so you just add a 3rd fret on E string and play part 2, down, clap, down. So like this. Alright, and then you have fulfilled one chord progression round. So slowly it goes like this. And so on. Alright guys, so that was a song called Used and Abused by Juice WRLD. So give it a try guys and play tuned.